Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I want to make a quick video on the new store and app called Proxyeed. So a proxy can be defined as an authority who represents someone, usually in politics or voting, but in the sneaker and streetwear scene is somebody who simply gets an item for someone while they're unavailable, usually at work or overseas. As you guys know, I usually take a lot of L's with raffles, so I usually go on a Facebook group called Proxy Talk, where people will be able to post up shoes that they want in a raffle that they want to resell, as well as with Supreme, they post up their time slot that they'll be able to hopefully get you the item at Supreme. So the guys behind Proxy Talk wanted to expand and create a physical space to improve their service. Let's start with the store. It's based in central London, Soho, just off Piccadilly Circus, so it's close to all of the popular stores like Supreme, Palace, Foot Patrol, Size, Dover Street Market, which is a great central location that you can travel to. It has a nice minimal glass design, but we're not here to just talk about the store. I had a couple minutes with Sam Zuckerbraun, co-founder of Proxy Talk as well as Proxyeed, and he's going to explain more about the app and the store and his goals and some of the trials and tribulations he had with creating this physical retail space. So let's get right into it.
I mean, just a bit of background information on Proxy Talk. We started it about 3 years ago. The intent was to be a community where you can buy and sell more efficiently than any other Facebook marketplace. We kind of came to notice that the group grew very quickly, but the efficiency in the group was lost when it grew. You could spend days, hours on the group trying to negotiate, trying to confirm, trying to make sure your proxy doesn't flake or just find a proxy. It just takes way too much time. So it seemed like a perfect opportunity to build an app that would make everyone's lives for buyers and sellers easier. I don't want people to be confused. The main goal of the business is to have a successful marketplace on the app. But the larger the marketplace gets, the more fun we can have inside the shop. So the goal with the shop is to have a community space around a resale shop, but it's also the drop-off and collection point of the app. So the shop has many functions, but we just want to have fun with it and do things that no other shop is doing. So retail releases, steals, events, open to everything. Biggest challenge for the shop was actually getting the space. I mean, in Soho and central London, we met with several landlords and we presented our plan for the initial drop-off collection point. Every single landlord hated it. They all were just kind of like, this is the ugliest thing we've ever seen. We want sexy brands in here. So my partner and I, Ryan, sat down and we said, okay, we need to get this drop-off collection. How can we do it? And we decided, okay, we need to make a retail experience. We need to have some stock. We need to make it sexy. We need to make it cool. Give the landlords what they want and give the community what they want. And so we overcame that challenge and now we're here. The app, the biggest challenge has just kind of been technical issues and staying motivated throughout the whole experience. It took over 1.5 years. So just got to stay confident and believe in yourself.
So one great thing I like about the store is its competitive pricing. I feel like these days consignment stores can be very expensive. They have a very competitive price and also they have a very small collection. So it can be disappointing when you don't see what you want, but every time I pop in there, there's always something new and it always rotates. Another thing I like about them is their retail hookups or retail steals. So if randomly they'll post like Off-White for retail, first come, first serve. It's something that's a little bit more fun, a little bit more engaging. So while I was there, they had a UK4 Inertia Yeezy 700, which is a small size, a bit harder to find. And so someone just popped in, pick up the shoe. So it's refreshing that they're kind of rewarding their regular customers or customers who maybe just hanging around, getting people a bit lucky, a bit more excitement. And I like the way they're giving back to the community. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to make something a little bit more different, checking out their new store. And if you're popping into the store, make sure you say that I sent you. I know he's Sam as well, so they probably wouldn't know which Sam sent you, but yeah, just say, just pop in. It's really cool. It's really chilled there. Before I go, I just wanted to say, as someone who's like independent, trying to create something, it's really inspiring seeing other people, young people making something for themselves. So I wish them a lot of luck. I want to say a massive thank you to the Proxyeed store for giving me a couple minutes to check out their store. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment Proxy to show me you watch this video to the end. But before I go, I'm going to leave Sam to sign off.
Yo, thanks for watching, guys. Come check us out in Soho. If not, follow us on IG at Proxyeed.
All right.
Come buy some swag.